I'm going to show you the microorganisms that live in a beautiful remote lake. But before I show you the microorganisms that live in that lake, I need to get there first. To get there, I am going to first go through this amazing forest area. Check it out. And then I am going to climb a mountain. After that, we will see in the distance the lake I want to go to. And then I will approach the lake and take a sample of water. This forest is pretty thick, but everything looks so beautiful. Barely anyone walks in this area. I am several miles deep into the forest and I am now starting to climb this little mountain. It feels amazing to be in a completely remote place where there is absolutely no one around. Look at these ferns, they are so pretty. I'm going to go up there and then I will be at the top of this little mountain.
Nice ascent.
Alright, I am now at the top of the mountain and the view is super beautiful.
Nice. Beautiful.
I have finally made it to the point where in the distance I can see the lake I was looking for. I'm gonna go down there and I'm gonna take a sample of that water.
Sample. Let's go this way.
I have descended the mountain and I am finally next to the lake. Let's go and check it out.
And here we are.
Look at this beauty. Totally worth it the several miles it took to get here. I am going to take a sample of this water, and then at home I am going to look at it under the microscope to see the microscopic creatures that live here.
Amazing. Little lily pads. Flowers are beautiful. Let's go home now.
Let's see what creatures we see in this little drop of water from the lake. This looks like a little piece of moss that is decomposing. If you pay attention, you can see microscopic creatures swimming by. But the thing that I find absolutely amazing is the beautiful pattern formed by the cell walls of the cells that make this little piece of moss. Let's look at this incredible structure at a higher magnification. This playful microorganism that we see is a ciliated protozoan called Coleps. Isn't it amazing how he swims? Look at this diatom. Diatoms are so incredibly pretty. Diatoms are microscopic algae, and the amazing thing about them is that they make glass cell walls with extraordinarily beautiful patterns. I believe this is a species of bacteria that is pretty big and that is called Comamonas. Anyhow, I'm just truly mesmerized at the amazing, elegant way that they move. Check out the speed of movement of this tiny protozoan. Quite amazing to see how fast it bounces around. What we are seeing now is a dead diatom. Because diatoms make glass cell walls, when diatoms die, their glass cell walls do not get decomposed. This is another dead diatom. Different species of diatoms produce different types of shapes in their cell walls, with different types of beautiful patterns, like this other dead diatom. This microorganism is actually a microscopic animal called rotifer. Rotifers are a very important part of the freshwater plankton. We are going to finish this video admiring the beautiful pattern of another piece of decomposing moss. I am Dr. Bioforever and this is Biology with a Spanish accent. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram and TikTok for additional content. ¡Hasta luego!